It takes a lot to impress me, but I am extremely pleased with how this terrain project turned out. The Space Wolf Fortress, consisting of 4 pylons, which can double as dreadnought drop pods, crenellated embattlements, fortified walls, fortified walkways, a landing pad, lots of nice little detail in there. I put some guys on there to show you the scale. These models are also for sale. They're called the Wolves of the Ice Moon. Each one of the doors has a rune over it. We plan, well, hopefully the client might want some weapon emplacements to go here and here. Another fortified walkway. Each one of the pylons has 3 hatches at mid-height and then a ground level door. This is all modular. It comes apart. It can be set in various configurations. I think it's something like 14 pieces. Is that right? 4, 8, 12. Yeah, that's right. And we're going to emblazon a Space Wolf symbol according to the client's wishes here, but that's pretty much the final touch. Everything makes sense on here. There's hatches and ladders where there need to be. You may notice there's a ladder going up to this next level. And there's a lot you can do with this. So stay tuned. I'm going to reconfigure this and show you what else can be done with it.